Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can mask or clip mask text easy. Okay, let us this is the image. I'm using this image because it is a nice one. I've used it in several videos. It looks good. Okay, after selecting the typing tool, type any word. Okay, let me just use one letter. For this case, I'm going to use only letter S. Scale it well. I want her face. Okay. Make sure it covers her entire face. I want the eye to be visible. Okay. So after making sure it can be a bigger text, it can be just one text. So after making sure the text is covering her entire face, right click on the text layer and then rasterize the layer. Rasterize text. Right click on that layer. To rasterize that text layer means you're converting that text into a shape to be able to clip mask that text. So after doing that, make sure the text layer is underneath the image layer. Then after putting it under the image layer, hold the control. Do you see where my cursor is? Look to the layer section. Do you see where my cursor is? It is in the thumbnail of the text shape, text layer, sorry. Hold the control and tap in the thumbnail of the text. It is going to select our letter S. So after doing that, hold the Alt on your keyboard and move the cursor between the image layer and the text layer and then tap. Boom. That is it, guys. That is how you can mask or clip mask any text into any image into any text. You can move it. You see guys, that's how you can create that effect in Photoshop, easy like that. Thank you so much guys, enjoy.